The investment objective of the CBOE U.S. Equity Enhance Moderate Buffer ETF is to aim to provide investors with returns approximately twice any positive price return of the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, the underlying ETF. This will be up to a predetermined upside cap of 14.8% while providing a buffer against the first 15% of underlying ETF losses. The buffer period is from June 21, 2022 to June 16, 2023. Under normal market conditions, the fund will invest substantially all of its assets in flex options, which are flexible exchange options that reference the price of the underlying ETF.